how to use move triggers. Now, at first it may seem hard, but trust me, I've been there. Get the layout. Oh wait, no. Now, normally, your average DVD player will not be able to make any of these spikes. However, very simple. You go to here, you select this group ID, you add this group ID, you put your trigger wherever you want to. So 30, put 1, now, well, it needs some adjustments, but you don't really put the time. Of course, this was a video on how to use move triggers. I just was a big discovery, but yeah, I guess I'll see you in a video. Goodbye.